shoot for the guy who won. Schultz to the inside. Toss reverse. Grizzly keeps running into traffic. He gives it up to Rosario. Yung first game ng Ginebra, 15 assistant na record nitong nakarang Biyernes, 35 ang kanilang nakuha. As Kalen misses on this one, konti kang pamakundol si Jacket Don. Up it for three. Doesn't work. He's still trying to look for his first basket. They're crowding him though every time. He gets within 15 feet. Dalawa tatlo sumasalubong. He's forced to give it up once again. Oh, got away from his defender. And he's now got 7 points. Muling magkita. Itong magkakalaban ngayong gabi, it was the semi-final round of the Commissioner's Cup.